much for having me. I'm very excited to be in Indonesia. This is my first trip, and it is more beautiful than I could have imagined. The people and the landscape is all incredible.
Glasgow,
I'm visiting from
Caledonian
Glasgow, Caledonian University, which is in Glasgow, Scotland, which is in the north of the UK. And I work there as a disability mentor and inclusion facilitator, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. Just to mention that if you would like digital copies of my presentation and the resources that I reference in my presentation, you can contact Rafa, and she'll be able to send them to you. And also another note that this is very specific to a UK context and UK law. And I appreciate that the context here is different, but I hope that you find it interesting. So yeah, I'm going to be talking about accessible teaching at Glasgow Caledonian University, and I'm going to call it GCU because it's shorter and easier. Okay, so I'm going to talk a little bit first about my job. I work on the disability team at GCU, and you can see here on the screen, these are all the different roles that we have in our department. There are 10 of us that do all of these different roles, and I am a disability mentor and inclusion facilitator. So I'm going to explain a little bit about what that is. So this is a picture of our office, you can see here. There's a little waiting area for students who come in for their appointments. There's a sort of pooled working area, and then there's lots of private offices for one-to-one meetings. So the main part of my role is that I am a disability mentor, and that means that I provide one-to-one specialist mentoring for students on the autism spectrum. So there are 5 of us who do that role at the university, and we support about 90 autistic students. So I meet about 4 to 5 students a day, and my role really is to help them with any challenges or barriers that come up in university life. And that can be in their studies, so organising their studies, handing in assessments, understanding the content of their course, but it can also be the social aspect of university, which can be quite challenging for autistic students. So it can be things like helping them to learn how to start conversations,